Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai Keyfob. In this video I'll show you how to access battery. In the beginning, prepare screwdriver. Right here on the top of the keyfob we've got the screw we have to unscrew. Once the screw is unscrewed, prepare other tool, for example something like this, to access the battery. Right here we've got, as you can see, we've got this hole. Place the tool inside the hole and the battery is located here. To remove the battery, you can use another tool like this to lift it from this position. You can see the arrow here. To assemble the keyfob, make sure to push it and don't forget about the screw. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.